escape this hell. So many times I've tried, but they're still caged inside. Somebody get me through this nightmare. I can't control myself. Somebody you can see, you tell yourself. The one you have to do yourself. What I think of, nothing believe. There's not no real me. Somebody else can check yourself. Shut the fuck up. I can't escape myself. So many times I've tried, but there's still hate inside. Somebody help me through this night. I can't control myself. So what if you can see the darkness?